our factory and introduce our friend to you. Hello, Kelly.
大家好，我是张凯丽，
Yeah.
我是中国人。
Okay, so let me welcome Kelly to our factory.
My name is Zhang Kali. I'm from Africa, mainly in Southern Africa. I'm from Botswana. I came to China last year. I think it was around September. I came here for study, but it wasn't only for study, but it has given me an opportunity to open my eyes in terms of investment, in terms of business opportunities, that it cannot only help me, but it can help other people in Africa there to improve our standard of living in terms of technology. So apparently what happened that I've been looking for a block machine or brick machine that I can use back in my country, because mostly in my country we still rely on human power, so which I believe it takes long time, it doesn't save energy, yes, mostly it's not reliable, so I was looking for something that is very convenient, something that it can produce a lot in just a short period of time. And with that I met Miss Elena, right?
Yeah.
Shang, who's the sales manager for this block brick company. So I came to the company today, and I had an opportunity to appreciate their factory, to go around and see how they do their machines, and they're very convenient, they're very good. I'm telling you, because I've come here, I've experienced it with my own eyes, with my own vision. So please, Africa, come here and save our people in Africa, to save time, to save energy. It's not only to save energy, but save everything. So please, wherever you are, it's not only in Africa, the whole world. This is China. They have everything that we need, right? So I had an opportunity to look at this machine here. I think you can see this brick, right?
Yeah.
It's called a paver.
Yeah.
It's very, very important. How it was done, I was really shocked, because it didn't even take like 30 minutes, like maybe 10 minutes mostly. The brick was already produced, and it was already, even if like you can just put it here, right? Then
Okay, let me show.
you step on it like this, right?
Yes.
It can't even break. Even if I can jump, but there's no cement inside. But look,
Very
really
good.
amazing.
Yeah.
Very good.